Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday, May 8th, 2020. We've got some people hopping on this morning. Hi, Mrs. Kevwich. How are you doing today? Hi, Liam. Hi, Tyler. Good morning, Mrs. Wright. Good morning, Audrey. Hi, Ava. Hi, Aiden. Hi, Everly and Abriella. Good morning, Mrs. Wright. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Brandy. Good morning, Matt. Morning, Gates boys. Hey, Nani's on there. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, McFarlands. Hi, Fishers. Good morning, Tennille. Hey, we've got Reagan playing some background music on the piano again today, working on showing off that creativity virtue. Oh, Mrs. Lotta just said, good job, Reagan. Oh, and Mrs. Wright said, is that Reagan playing? Oh, you guys, you caught her attention. Now she's coming around to say hi. Hey, good morning to everybody out there. Good morning, Rylan. Good morning, Isla.
Good morning, everyone.
Nice.
Good morning, Mrs. Wright and Audrey and the other Mrs. Wright.
Let me move this microphone between us and make sure you speak up nice and loud, okay? All right. Hey, good morning, Jennifer. Hi, Henry. Hi, Drew. Let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, it's Friday. It's May 8th. We've had a great week this week. I've seen a whole bunch of cool creative work out there. Have you done some creative work this week?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was the most creative thing you did?
Doing like the seconds and thirds and fourths and fifths on piano.
Nice.
Because you mix those up. That's very tricky.
Oh, yeah, they're hard. You got to keep them all straight, huh? Yeah. Good job. Hey, good morning, Mrs. Stouse. We've got some birthdays this weekend. No birthdays today, but Michaelia's birthday is tomorrow, and Miley C has a birthday on Sunday. So make sure you wish those guys a happy birthday.
Birthday on Mother's Day.
What was that?
A birthday on Mother's Day.
Yeah, birthday on Mother's Day. I wonder if she gets to celebrate, or if her mom gets to celebrate, or if they do it together. That'll be fun. Yeah. Mother's Day / birthday. That'll be a fun day. Our virtue this week was creativity. Here's the definition one last time for you this week. Creativity is the power of imagination. Creativity is a way to develop your special talents. It's seeing something in a new way, finding a different way to solve a problem. And creativity is using your imagination to bring something new into the world. You might even get some background noise today because our neighbors are showing some creativity and doing some cool landscaping in their backyard. And we can hear some tractors and some hammers and all kinds of stuff.
It got really loud.
Yeah, it got loud, but it's pretty cool. It's going to be awesome back there.
And we're peeking every once in a while.
Yeah, it's fun to look over the fence and watch what they're working on. Mrs. Wright was telling me yesterday, if you remember yesterday, we were talking about how every person has their own unique, special gifts and talents and ways to show creativity. But then one of the cool thing is when you get together with other people and work on projects and you bring your talents and you mix them with a unique group of people, you get a unique set of talents and a unique mixture that's never seen on anywhere else. And she was reminding me that happens in families too. Like your family is your own blend of people's unique talents, and I love seeing how some of the families have really come together. And we want to give a special shout out to moms who do so much and work so creatively to make their families work and to bring out everybody's special talents. Moms are so good at that and show off everyone in their family's strengths and personalities and find a way to put all that together to make their family better and make our world better. So we want to give moms a huge shout out this weekend and tell all the moms out there.
Thank you.
And happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope you guys have a great day on Sunday. Look, Andy says, hi, Reagan. And Auntie Lori's on there, too. We got all kinds of people on there. And Jeff Daly, good morning. How are you doing? So we've got a whole bunch of shout-outs today for people who've been showing creativity. So let's jump in and talk about who's been doing some creative work. There were some exciting ones on here. Um, Check this one out. So first of all, Natalia from her mom. Natalia asked if I could order her some acrylic paints and canvases. She got some paintbrushes from Easter and was dying to get creative, and we set her up a little art area in the garage, and she's been busy creating beautiful masterpieces. I can't wait to see those, Natalia. You need to pick out one that's just amazing and email a picture to Mrs. Wright so she can put that in our virtual art gallery. This one's for Noah V, and it's from his dad, and it says, Noah constructed and painted an amazing bike ramp with his dad. Oh my goodness, I'm coming over. We should go over there and jump our bikes.
Yeah, I
Okay.
really
Yeah, we're doing that.
how to jump my bike.
I'm not sure that was totally an invitation, but I think when Mr. V mentions stuff like that, it's basically an invitation. Yeah, we got to go check that jump out. Here's one from Henry and Drew's mom. It says Henry and Drew have been creative this week in building with new Lego sets. I love that way of showing creativity. We talked about how this week you can show creativity in so many different ways. It doesn't have to be just art. Just art. That's a horrible sentence. Like, it doesn't have to be art. There's so many other ways to show creativity, and I love that, building with Lego sets. She said Drew is building more on his own, which he's proud of. And he just got the Boba Fett helmet. And Henry is working on building his Harry Potter Lego. Cool. They both build things in new creative mode in Fortnite as well as Roblox. Very cool. So you guys are creating online and building all over the place. That's amazing. Oh, she says they're also very creative in their Star Wars role-playing at home. Star Wars role-playing. That sounds like it could turn into a really cool skit for the talent show.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Curtis boys, start thinking about what you could do. That would be awesome.
Ray and I played Star Wars.
Oh, it'd be great to have a
with
Star
all
Wars
the
scene.
cousins
Yeah.
in the pool.
All right, the next one is for Nikaya and Azariah. Nikaya has been having fun with learning piano from an app. That's so cool. I want to hear about what app that is, Nikaya. I'd love to check that out. And also doing her homework while sitting on her skateboard. Nice, get to move around a little bit. And Azariah enjoyed making a dollhouse out of a Kleenex box and did lots of playing with that. Very cool. I like that creative use and using recycled materials. And then she emailed right back a few minutes later and said she's adding that Azariah gets a big shout out for reorganizing our medicine cabinet and bathroom shelf. Nice job, Azariah. Way to help out the family. Our next shout out goes to Lucas and Sienna from their mom, who says that they showed creativity this week and always. Not only are they terrific artists, but they are continually using their imagination to play and create new things. I love that one.
That's what Audrey and I do with Legos all the time.
A lot of creativity. Yeah. Check out who wrote the next one. This one's from Mrs. Wright in second grade, and she says she's loved seeing the Star Wars craft pictures from all of the second graders, and she says that she thinks adding a bit of creative element this week is what we all needed. Those creative Star Wars projects were really fun, huh? Did you want to give a shout out to Mrs. Wright?
All the second graders loved it, and I'm not sure if all of them did because I haven't been in much contact with them, but I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure everybody loved it. Did you love the Star Wars stuff this week?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Oh yeah, it was super fun.
Nice.
In fact, she got up this morning so she could start working on rescuing her figure from the ice.
Which I didn't have a Star Wars.
It's still happening. All right, next one goes out to Tyler. Tyler from his mom says, for showing creativity with all that second grade Star Wars project this week. He loves Star Wars and was so excited by all of the thought put into it by Mrs. Wright. Yep, that's a shout out. Another shout out for Tyler and for Mrs. Wright. It was amazing how he found a way to incorporate a lightsaber on every single project. Nice job, Tyler. I'd like to see what that looked like. And then we've got Liam for his creativity and thoughtful approach to his penny boat challenge by Mrs. Etchison. We love to see their brains work. I love that engineering. Nice job. We've got another one here. This one is for Stephen McFarland, who designed and built a new shed in their backyard. And they sent a picture to me, and it looks super cool. He used some storage containers and made a really cool new shed for his backyard. Nice job. And last one of the day here from Delilah. Okay, this one comes from Delilah, and it says, Delilah wants to give a shout out to Mrs. Kevwich for her creative Star Wars videos from this week. She says it put a huge smile on her face. Mrs. Kevwich, those put a huge smile on my face too. That was amazing. Thank you for doing that.
I didn't see them, but I bet they did.
Yeah, you'll have to watch them later. They're pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, good job showing creativity this week, everyone. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Please take care of your moms. Celebrate on Mother's Day. Do something creative for your moms and have fun. Have a great day, Chief. See you on Monday.